So this will be the first probably vlogish, I want to say, video that I'll probably do. I've been feeling like absolute shit today, and I feel like I just need like a glowish up moment. I need to sort this out, get it washed. I need to shave and tan and do a hair mask and a face mask and everything like that. So I thought, why not just bring you guys along for the ride, and do all of that. So that's what we will be doing tonight. I'm just gonna put on some music and we'll just go through it. I just showered, washed my hair, conditioned my hair. I do want to put a little mask in it, so I'll do that now. I do wash my hair with the Highly Professional True Hydrate Moisturizing Shampoo. I do wash it twice because I feel like the first time you just need to get all of that dirt out, and then the second time you actually get the benefits of the shampoo or the conditioner or whatever you use. So I feel like this has actually been helping because my hair has gone through a lot of bleaching, so she's not at her best at the moment. So I use that to shampoo, and then I use the 1 minute deep repair treatment. It's for everyday use, so you literally just leave it in. After I wash my hair, I sort of, once I rinse it, I squeeze it out to get all of the water out, and then it doesn't dilute this as much as it would when there's a lot of water in your hair. But yeah, so then I just put this in, and then I go through my shower. So I'll wash my face and I'll wash my body and all of that I need to do while this is in. And then after all of that is done, then I turn the shower to cold. It's super healthy for your hair to be washed with cold water. So I'll turn the shower to cold, and then I will rinse this off. And that's about it, and that's my shower finished. I am going to shave my legs and exfoliate and all of that now, but I'm going to do it in the bath. Usually I don't do this on the same night, but just because it's for the video and I sort of feel like it needs to be done. I haven't like shaved in like 3 weeks. But yeah, I will run a small bath for that, and then I will take you along that journey because luckily it doesn't take me too long to do that.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around.
Nivea Men Shaving Cream. It's not, or shaving gel, sorry, it's not cream, it's gel. It's not as expensive, but also it just makes everything so much smoother. It's so much better. Since my best friend told me to go onto that, I haven't stopped using it. And then I do exfoliate my legs with the Royal Essence Coffee Scrub. It smells absolutely amazing. It is sweet at first, but you do get used to the smell. It smells so great. And yeah, so now I am just going to wash out the mask out of my hair, and then I'll go tan. Alright, so now I've washed all of that out. My hair feels actually really good, which is a good sign after a mask. That's what you want. But yes, before I go tan, I'll give my body a little bit of extra time, sort of just to dry off. Tanning with water is not the greatest thing. So yes, I'm just going to sort of push all of the water out of my hair with a different towel. I don't ever go in and rub my hair like either with like that or on the top of my head. It damages your hair a lot. So I feel like if you just pat it out, then it should just work perfectly. You can always, I don't know if it's really suggested, but you can always twist to get the water out of it more. It always helps to do that. I do have a lot of hair fall. At the moment it's a mixture of things. I'm actually iron deficient, and I have learned that hair loss is one of the big things for that. Like, it is one of the like effects that it has is hair loss. Even though I do have hair loss, I do still have a lot of hair, which I'm really blessed with that. But I do I do love both of these hair vitamins. Both of them taste absolutely amazing. You take 2 of them a day, or whichever you have 2 gummies a day. But yes, I've been trying these out. Hair growth wise, I feel absolutely amazing at the moment. I think start of the year, I want to say, my hair was like right underneath my chin, and it's now, okay, it's been a year that has gotten my hair to the length that it is, with this as well, which I haven't been super consistent with it, to be honest with you. But yeah, so I did go for an iron infusion today to try and get everything set up. It is my first time doing an iron infusion, which for me was a very scary process, to be honest, because I have taken the tablets before and I was completely fine with them, but the last time I tried to take one, I had such a bad reaction to them. I had so many cramps and tummy aches, and it was really bad. So I didn't really know what was happening at that time. I didn't know that it was the tablet causing that. So when I had a chat with my doctor, he said that it's definitely the tablet causing that. Your body would not have the same reaction to the infusion because it works differently. It gets pumped into your arm and works that way. So of course I've got these like super dark circles under my eyes. I've had them forever. And today when I talked to the nurse who does the infusions, he said to me that all of that will go away. So hair loss will stop or minimize. The dark circles under the eyes will go away and you'll sleep a lot better and you'll just have a lot more energy, which is something that I'm really looking forward to, because not having energy and needing to be active is a huge problem for me. So yes, we're doing that, and then it's just overall stress. I feel like this whole week is just like, this whole week and last week has been such a roller coaster with work and everything, and it's just been horrible. I've also had my wisdoms, like they're coming out, so that hurts my whole mouth at the moment, and it's just the worst. So yes, but that is me rambling on. I do like feel in that little time a little bit more water has dropped to the ends of my hair, so I'm just going to go through it again and sort of do that. Then I have this nut care. It is actually sort of like a detangle mist, but it is a hydrating detangle mist, and it has been making my hair feel really good because I do use heating products a lot. I do straighten my hair, I do curl my hair. I'll probably do that tomorrow, so tonight I'll let my hair air dry, but with all of the products in, and it'll suck in throughout the night, fingers crossed, and then it'll feel so much better tomorrow. So I'm just going to pop this in all over, sort of there to there. I don't ever really put product in my roots or on my head. I don't put, I only shampoo the top of my head, not the ends, because that is the only place where the natural oils sort of build up and they need to be taken out, whereas the ends, natural oils is really good for your ends, so that's why I don't shampoo the top of my head. I also never go around in circles when you're washing your hair. Don't ever do that. I feel like going in and sort of growing the way that your hair grows is the best way to shampoo your hair. And then with the treatment or conditioner that I do use, I only ever do from here downwards. Sometimes if I've put product on my hands and I've raked it through my hair and then there is left over, it has to be the tiniest amount. I will put them in these little spots here just because they have been bleached as well. But yes, when it comes to putting product in your hair, I don't ever put products in my roots, just because it will build up and it won't be great for your hair. So yes, so this and any other oils, anything you put in goes to your ends, mid-lengths to ends of your hair. And then I do just brush through it. I need to go get a new brush soon. But yeah, so I'll just brush all of this through, make sure that it is dispensed over the hair and set that way evenly. It is going to make your hair feel a bit more wet than what it used to be because you just dried it. That's okay. And then I'm going to put Super Skinny Serum in my hair. I absolutely love this stuff. It lasts you forever. I literally use this every time I wash my hair, and that's how much I've used. I've had it for about a year now, so it absolutely lasts you forever. So just one pump is enough. Of course, it could even be too much. But if your hair is longer, of course, you're going to do 1 to 2 pumps, but not more than that. Always read the directions on the back of the bottle to make sure that you follow the directions of the manufacturer and that it is the best use for your hair. Yes, now that that's done, we can go tan. I absolutely love tanning. It makes me feel so much better about myself. It just gives me a bit extra confidence. I guess that's what everything in beauty does. Doing your hair, doing your makeup, doing tanning, even just shaving, make you feel better. The shade of me before I tan, and I'll see you after. Okay, I am tanned. This is the tan of me afterwards. I've put on a t-shirt. It's very loose. It's almost like a dress t-shirt. I do suggest that anything you do put on afterwards is loose and doesn't stick. The tan on my hands are absolutely horrible, but I will be washing my hands soon, so they won't stick. I also have put a little bit of tan on my face. I just take the mitt and whatever I have put on the mitt, or whatever is left over from whichever left part of my body I've done last. I do just like very, very lightly go over my face. If I'm not home, I always wear makeup, so you don't really see it, but it is still something that I like to do for myself. just to not have a pale white face and then have a super tan body when I am home. But yes, so that's my tanning. It was actually so hard doing this arm because the injection was done there, and so just picking up my arm or doing anything, putting any pressure on it actually really hurts. So it was so hard doing that, and I was just busy going and doing everything, and I was like, oh, my arm actually feels so tired, which I guess is just one of the side effects of getting the infusion. Getting a needle pushed into your arm and then a lot of fluids pushed into your arm, I guess would do that. But yes, so that is my tanning routine. I am going to, I can't do a face mask now that there's a tan on, so that's out of the question, but I'll probably go through and pluck my eyebrows. I do have a little bit of washing to put away, so alright, and that's me for the night. I am probably gonna go sit editing. I've actually filmed a few videos that I do want to get out there, so I'll probably go do that, have a coffee, chill out. I started one of those diamond paintings, so I'll probably go finish that off, and sort of just have a chill night. I don't have an energy for a lot, and actually what I just did has made me so tired, and it does absolutely suck that it is going to be like this for the next 2 weeks. But I'm looking forward to how I'm feeling after those 2 weeks. I'm looking forward to the positive effects of this infusion kicking in. So yes, we will see how it goes. I will update you guys how I feel, how I'm going, probably throughout the videos that I'm going to be filming in the next few days. I'll probably do sort of like a morning routine, get ready with me tomorrow morning, and wash this off, show you what it looks like after, so make sure to go check that out. But yeah, so that is me for the night. Thank you for spending this glow up moment with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed.